Hello everyone, this is Liebty from Liebty Machinery company. Today we will visit the LONKING factory.
Now, let me introduce you the LONKING 3-tons forklift to you. First, we will look at the Mast. The forklift is equipped with 3 stages and 4.5 meters mast, and can also be equipped with a side shifter to suit different work needs. Now let's look at the cab. It adopted interactive and ergonomic design to improve operating comfort. Equipped with wide field of view, Mast to improve driver's field of view. We can see the size of the tires are different. The front wheel is large because the forklift is driven by the front wheel, and the rear wheel is small to control the direction, because small wheels are easier to turn. So we designed it with large front wheel and the small rear wheel.
The LONKING FD30T Forklift can be equipped with wireless attachments, ensuring safety and reliability. It has high stability and can meet different driving needs, well compared to recovery.